My video is about removing the ransomware called Mpqoa. Mpqoa stands for a new ransomware that targets many Windows computers. The video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. And before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So it actually changes the desktop background into this scary message. Also, it reveals another ransom note titled as How to Recover. And finally, it appends a special extension to the file names called Mpqoa. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website Mpqoa.com. So go to this official page, Mpqoa.com. You will see a special green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on the system. So let's wait until Cleaner Antivirus gets successfully loaded. When this finally happens, the software will begin investigating your system. So this is the way the software looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after the software is launched, it will update its anti-malware database, and then finally it will start scanning your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license only though. It helps to effectively protect your files by keeping them in a special designated folder. You may choose a special folder on your computer, and the contents of this folder will always be under the protection. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished and remove this ransomware. But let me tell you the truth that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your files.